All right, we are good to go. But you also need to pay attention. Are you in a zone which is totally connected? Because we want your utmost attention. So be in a zone where connection is not a problem. नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है ग्रीन लैम्प के नए कलेक्शन लॉन्च 2020-2022 में। इट्स गुड टू सी यू ऑल ओवर हियर और मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आपका परिवार आपकी तरह स्वस्थ और सुरक्षित है। एट ग्रीन लैम्प वी आर अ प्रॉपर कल्मिनेशन ऑफ पैशन एंड एक्सीलेंस। दैट इज द कोर ऑफ ईच एंड एवरीथिंग वी क्रिएट। हम जो भी करते हैं बहुत ही पैशनेटली करते हैं और बड़े एक्सटेंसिवली करते हैं और हर चीज़ का हर उपाय हमारे पास है। हर स्पेस के लिए, एक डिस्टिंक्ट स्पेस के लिए हमारी एक डिस्टिंक्ट ऑफरिंग है। यही हमारी खूबी है और इसी चीज़ के साथ हम पूरी दुनिया के सामने एक बहुत ही शानदार कलेक्शन लेकर आए हैं। दिस कलेक्शन इज ट्रूली वन ऑफ अ काइंड। So without further ado, please join me in welcoming our Managing Director and CEO, Mr. Saurabh Mittal.
Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to you all on behalf of the entire Green Lamp family. I'm absolutely delighted to have you all here with us for the virtual launch of Green Lamp Collection 2020-2022. Though we had initially planned these meetings in person, however, keeping in mind the challenging situations, we thought of conducting these through online platforms instead of waiting for the situation to improve. We at Green Lamp are delighted to be your partners in the journey of enterprise, manufacturing, design creation with extensive domestic and global presence. We're committed to provide you with world-class products in the laminates, compacts, decorative veneers, engineered wooden floors and door category. With our strong manufacturing capabilities, wide distribution network, product availability and service, we are sure to build strong relationships with you all. In today's time, health, safety and hygiene have become the utmost priority for people while making lifestyle choices. Products that come with health safety features like antibacterial, antifungal, food contact safety are gaining higher preference over those that do not offer these benefits. We at Green Lamp take pride in letting you know that we were the first in the country to introduce antibacterial surfaces over 10 years ago. It's been a standard offering since then under the flagship brands of Green Lamp Laminates and Green Lamp Compacts. Today, we're extremely excited to showcase the Green Lamp Collection 2020-2022 to all of you all. This collection is based on 8 interior trends that we believe will shape the ideas of interior spaces in the coming years. It's a pleasure to have you all here with us. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, sir, for those inspiring words. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming our country head, Mr. Anuj Sangal.
तो नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत करते हुए मुझे हार्दिक प्रसन्नता हो रही है। टेक्नोलॉजी के बदलते हुए स्वरूप में वर्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म को यूज़ करते हुए आपसे जुड़ने का एक नया आनंद, एक नया अनुभव मुझे मिल रहा है और मैं लॉन्च की तरफ जाने से पहले आपसे कुछ बातें करना चाहूँगा। आपको ग्रीन लैम्प के बारे में कुछ बातें बताना चाहूँगा। आपकी इजाज़त लेते हुए मैं आपको प्रोडक्ट ऑफरिंग की तरफ लेके जाना चाहता हूँ। ग्रीन लैम्प सिर्फ 1 mm लैमिनेट नहीं बनाता है, हमारे पास सारी थिकनेस में, सभी साइजेज़ में 0.5, 0.7, 0.8, 1 mm, 1.5 में डिफरेंट साइजेज़ में लैमिनेट्स अवेलेबल हैं। हमारे पास कॉम्पैक्ट लैमिनेट अवेलेबल है, हमारे पास एक्सटीरियर ग्रेड, इंटीरियर ग्रेड कॉम्पैक्ट अवेलेबल है, मेलामाइन फेस, चिपबोर्ड, प्रीलैम, MDF, हमारे पास वीनियर, डोर, फ्लोरिंग और जाने कितने प्रोडक्ट अवेलेबल हैं जो आपके लिए वन स्टॉप सॉल्यूशन की तरह काम करेंगे, उसका आप लाभ उठाइए। सो कमिंग टू द इकोनॉमिक सिनारियो, आज के हालात आपसे छिपे हुए नहीं हैं। मार्केट के जो सर्वे हैं जो एनालिस्ट की रिपोर्ट्स हैं, जो फीडबैक ग्राउंड से आ रहा है कि मार्केट थोड़ा श्रिंक होगा, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होगा, किस मार्केट में कितने % कॉन्ट्रैक्शन होगा, किस स्टेट में, किस रीजन में, किस सिटी में, ये जानकारी किसी को नहीं है। लेकिन एक बात तय है कि जो ऑर्गेनाइज प्लेयर्स हैं, जो लार्जर ब्रांड्स हैं, जो बिगर ब्रांड्स हैं, उनको एक एडवांटेज रहेगा, बिकॉज जो छोटे प्लेयर हैं, अनऑर्गेनाइज प्लेयर्स हैं, उनके पास कुछ चैलेंजेस रहेंगे, उनको हीट महसूस होगी लेबर फ्रंट पर, कैश फ्लो फ्रंट पर, इन्वेंट्री फ्रंट पर, और कई ऐसे इशू आएंगे जहां पर वो लोग हैंडीकैप्ड फील करेंगे। तो अवसर या लाभ बड़ी ब्रांड को मिलने की पूरी संभावना है। जैसा कि आपको मालूम है, मार्केट में बहुत सारे लैमिनेट के ब्रांड्स अवेलेबल हैं। कैसे ग्रीनलैम्प दूसरों से अलग है, कैसे हम बेहतर हैं, ये जानने के लिए मैं कुछ चंद बातें आपको बताना चाहूँगा, बड़ा सिंपल भाषा में बताना चाहूँगा। एंटीबैक्टीरियल ये हमारी स्टैंडर्ड ऑफरिंग है। 10 साल से भी ज़्यादा समय से हम लोग डोमेस्टिक और इंटरनेशनल दोनों मार्केट्स में एंटीबैक्टीरियल प्रॉपर्टी के साथ ग्रीनलैम्प रेंज को दे रहे हैं। वो कॉम्पैक्ट के अंदर भी है और ग्रीनलैम्प लैमिनेट्स के अंदर भी है। इसमें हम कोई एक्स्ट्रा प्राइस प्रीमियम चार्ज नहीं कर रहे हैं। सर्टिफिकेट्स की अगर मैं बात करूं तो जितने भी इंटरनेशनल लेवल के सर्टिफिकेट्स हैं, चाहे वो ग्रीन गार्ड गोल्ड हो जो कि सिर्फ इंडिया में हमारे पास है, ग्रीन लेबल हो, फूड सेफ्टी सर्टिफिकेट्स हो, NSF हो, या दूसरे सर्टिफिकेट्स हो, दुनिया के सारे बेहतरीन सर्टिफिकेट्स जो भी गुणवत्ता के पैमाने पर आते हैं, आपकी कंपनी को, आपकी ब्रांड को उपलब्ध हैं। कमिंग टू द नेटवर्क पार्ट, हमारे पास 14,000 से ज़्यादा, 14,000 से ज़्यादा डीलर्स एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स मोर देन 100 कंट्रीज़ में उपलब्ध हैं, अवेलेबल हैं, हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। हमारे पास रीजनल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सेंटर्स हैं जो हमने ज्योग्राफिकली इस तरह से दुनिया में फैलाए हैं कि हमारे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स को, हमारे डीलर्स को टाइमली सप्लाई देने में, बैकअप सप्लाई देने में आराम रहे और कस्टमर तक हम बेहतर तरीके से पहुंच पाएँ। अगर मैं डेको पेपर की बात करता हूं तो हम दुनिया के बेहतरीन डेको पेपर जो यूरोप और जापान ओरिजिन के हैं उनको यूज़ करते हैं, बिकॉज जो नेचुरल जो कलर का जो फील आता है, जो प्रोडक्ट का फील आता है, वो बेहतरीन पेपर को यूज़ करने से ही आता है। और ग्रीनलैम्प उसमें कंसिस्टेंटली 100% अपने आप को खड़ा पाता है। सो वर्तमान स्थिति को देखते हुए हमने कुछ नए इनिशिएटिव्स लिए हैं। एक सिलेक्शन प्रोग्राम आज की स्थिति को देखते हुए ई कैटलॉग के जरिए आप तक पहुंचाया गया है। 8 फीट बाई 4 फीट का फुल साइज व्यू उपलब्ध कराया गया है और सैनिटाइज सैंपल्स ऑन रिक्वेस्ट आपको अवेलेबल कराए जा रहे हैं। सो दोस्तों, समय आ गया उन पलों का जिनका बेसब्री से इंतजार था। अब मैं आपको ले जाना चाहूँगा ग्रीनलैम्प न्यू कलेक्शन के लॉन्च की तरफ। कैन वी हैव द वीडियो प्लीज़?
Well, that was quite an unveil. Thank you, Sangal sir, for doing the honors. But now to give you an insight about each and every aspect of this fabulous collection, please join me in welcoming our Vice President Marketing, Mr. Alex Joseph.
A very warm welcome to all of you once again. I'm really excited and delighted to be here with you for this launch of Greenlam 2020-22 collection. And before I give you an insight of the whole collection, I would like to take this moment to tell you what went behind putting up this new collection. As you know, Greenlam is the flagship brand of Greenlam Industries. And for any organization, the mother brand holds a significant value. Because the mother brand which drives the overall brand equity, it drives the major amount of revenues, and it's true for Greenlam as well. For anything related with Greenlam, whether it's the quality or the service or the certification, the product that we offer, and most importantly the collection, it holds a significant value, and because this is the key thing which differentiates us in the market. So developing a new collection requires a lot of intensive planning, research and investment, and a lot of time and effort. Every decor that becomes a part of Greenlam comes with a rationale. That's why Greenlam introduced its collection once in 2.5 years. Before putting up this new collection, a lot of research has gone into identifying what is the kind of a design trend or the direction or the material pattern is expected for the coming years. This involved speaking to various design experts, speaking to various set of architects around the globe, studying various kinds of exhibitions, understanding what kind of a material pattern is there. And most importantly, we enrolled a French designer who helped us putting up this whole new collection together. And what we have identified was 8 key important design direction, which we call it as a forecasted trend for the coming years. Let me take you through these trends. What are these trends? So the first trend which I would like to introduce to you is Scandi Nest. Scandi trend is primarily inspired from the Scandinavian countries like Denmark, Norway and Sweden. If you look at this style, it's primarily a color scheme which is generally, it's more white and pastel in nature. It's all about minimalistic approach with a sense of sophistication and a sense of satisfaction and calmness to the entire space. It's primarily the kind of colors that we use is more pastel in nature, more soft, right? Because it brings a lot of grace to the living space. This style includes a lot of clean lines, materials, patterns, which are more white and clean. The second trend which I would like to introduce to you is urban elegance. This trend is influenced from contemporary and minimalistic design style, led by grey tones. This palette represents a strong character with the inclusion of marbles and terrazzos that brings a confidence and sophistication to the whole interior space. The wood grains are tinted, mostly grey, and which matches well with the neutral tones. The next trend which I would like to introduce is Artiza. As the name suggests, Artiza is more inspired by handmade material. It's a trend and style which is very unique in nature, very personalized. It's a trend which I would say in terms of the response of people coming towards craft. Old patterns, punchy colors, led by very playful approach is the style of this decor. This design instantly adds a very distinctive look and a very personal touch to an interior space. The next trend is wild side. This particular trend, it's a very unconventional, very distressed and a very bold kind of a design direction that creates a very raw and discerning look. Wild side makes the space really stand out through its nobility and glamour of material used. The next trend is timeless. As the name suggests, this trend is to do with something which is more durable, which is something evergreen, which is something which stays in fashion for a longer time. It's a very warm kind of a design style with an inclusion of teak, mahogany, a walnut kind of a design. It brings a lot of warmth to the overall space. And I would say this is a very mature and a very classic kind of a design style. The next trend is Deco Decor. This trend is in the space of elegance and refined sophistication. And as the name suggests, it's a trend which is a more in line with the fusion of various kind of materials like woods, metals, marbles together with a touch of bright and contrasting colors. Large scale marbles, rich walnut, wood patterns, touch of metals. It enhances the overall spaces and is ideal for spaces like hotel lobbies, restaurants, bars, etc. The next trend is Black Magic. Black is not a color, but I would say it's a style. When black is teamed up with white, it plays a great contrast. If you use a black in a smart way, it gives a lot of elegance and sophistication to the interior space. The color trend is now moving from a dark black to lighter shades of black and grey. The next trend is contrast. As the name suggests, it's a style which is based on the contrast of various kind of material and colors. This trend play with two different kind of elements of design that are completely opposite to each other. The overall look offers a very warm and contrasting vibrant color tone that breaks the monotony and creates a very lively atmosphere. Contrast is great for creating a focal point, giving object a greater visual weight while balancing the overall ambience. So these are the 8 different trends which Greenlam has introduced in his collection. And these trends are not just restricted to any particular interior space, but are applicable for both residential and commercial spaces, because we have seen a complete evolution of spaces. The way a commercial space in a hospital has changed, the way the saloons are getting changed, the way the interiors of a hotel is being drastically transformed. So with all this collection, all these trends going to address the various kinds of design needs in the coming future. This year, we have added 82 new decors and 3 different textures in our collection. And the focus has been to bring in designs which are in line with the changing trends. So you can see a lot of inclusion of walnuts, oaks, dark woods, metals, stone in our new collection. That's it for me. My team will be connecting with you shortly to present this new collection individually. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Alex, sir. That was quite an in-depth knowledge that you bestowed upon us. But now is the time where we launch the fabulous Shade Card. And to do the honors, I would request our Managing Director and CEO, Mr. Saurabh Mittal, and our Country Head, Mr. Anuj Sangal, to kindly do the honors.
Presenting to you the new Greenlam catalogue.
With that, we come to the end of the fabulous unveiling and the launch of the Greenlam New Collection 2020-2022. I hope you all liked it as much as I did. But now it's time for another session. This is a special one-on-one session where you get to interact with our leadership team. They are ready and live. All you have to do is jive. Ask your question, we're good to go. over to the leadership team.